Hey, Brian Young with ProTinkerToys.com, and I'm doing a special video on the hottest selling gun. I have two hot selling guns. The Golden Rifle, which is absolutely amazing, and the Texas Ranger double set. This thing is absolutely amazing. Die cast, okay, caps. You can get the caps for it. I just can't sell casts because you gotta get a special permit and everything. It's a lot of comic crap. Anyway, it's a double holster. You get double holster. You get a badge. You get a the holster. What do you call these things? Holsters. Yeah. What am I talking about? It's a double set, and you get two guns. And my price is phenomenal. Plus, you got to buy toys from Pro Tinker because I know everything there is to know about toys. Plus, I'll help you. Whenever you buy something, you know that you're buying it from basically a relative. Yeah, I guess you could. Yeah. I mean, I'll do whatever I can to make you happy. You know, I try at least. But this is the Texas Ranger. And I sell so many of these things, it's crazy. Okay? And this is just a great gun for a kid. Walk around, you can put the two guns on his holster like this, say, stick 'em up, cowboy. Yee-haw, cowboy. I got a snake in my boot. Oh, I can't do that. That's a tight cat. Holy cow. Anyways, Texas Rangers, two guns, die cast. You get it in the box set. Beautiful. Comes just like this. And I think the price is like under $50, I think. It's a great price. I got a great price on these things. ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com.